You run your advertisements on Meesho, but the campaigns are not getting you any orders. You have spent thousands of rupees, but still the ROI is very bad. If that is the case with you, I wanted to have a look at one of my Meesho accounts. In the past 50 days, we have done around 20,000 rupees in ad spend, and the advertisement campaigns have a ROI of 6.1. Let's have a look at some of our campaigns. 5.26, 8.55, 6.66, 7.85, 6.24, 5.39, 6.57. All of these campaigns took me 5 seconds to set up. So if I, who is not an ad expert, is able to deliver an average ROI of 7 to 8 on Meesho, you can do it too. So if you want to know how to create such ad campaigns, watch this video. So honestly speaking, there's only one single step that you have to do. Just select inventory, go to any one of your products, and over here you will see a boost order option. You just have to click that and Meesho will create a sponsored ad for you. But to be honest, if you do this simple short step, you will fail. Your ad campaigns will still suck. To really create good campaigns, you need to follow this 3-step framework for the ad campaigns that I use. The first step is data. If people are searching for rose-scented candles and you are selling coffee-scented candles, it does not matter if you're an ad expert. It does not matter if your bidding strategy is very amazing. Your advertisement campaign on that particular product will not give you good results. It will spend your money, you will make losses, and you won't get any orders. Now, how can you get this data? You can use tools such as Helium 10, Jungle Scout, AMZ Scout. These are paid tools. They charge around 5,000 to even 20,000 rupees per month in subscription fees. Or you can use free websites such as Bluepin. The link is in the description. And they will give you a lot of data about the products that you're currently selling or which products you should sell next. You can also scroll through Instagram and Facebook to see what is trending right now to get an idea of which products you should start selling online. You can also browse marketplaces such as Amazon and Flipkart, which publicly disclose which products are trending right now. All my ad campaigns are on the products that have very good data backing them up. Now the second point is understand what you are doing. You are basically paying Meesho some money to pick your product from the bottom and show it to the customers. You are paying for visibility. Now let's have a look at one of my products. If you look at the image that I've used here for my product, you can see that the image is of high quality. I have edited the image such that there's a brand name printed on top of my product. I have also created digitally, totally using Canva, using editing tools, a packaging for my product. Now obviously I don't have such packaging in real life. I have a very minimalist, very normal packaging, but at least on my images, I have a very good packaging next to it. It makes my product look very authentic. It makes it look real and branded. So now if Meesho picks up my product and shows it to the customers will see it and think that this is not an ugly looking product. It is a real authentic product. So please, if you are paying Meesho for visibility, please make sure that your products don't look ugly. They don't look like a scam. They have to look authentic, branded, and real high quality. Canva is totally free of cost. Please learn how to use that website. It won't take you more than 5 days to learn it. By the way, in this image, I have used AI tools, which are totally free of cost, and they have enhanced the look of this hand. This hand is not real. If you won't spend your time making your products look authentic, don't spend money on ads. Now the third point is volume. You have to take one product and create multiple listings of that product. Change the packaging design for each listing, change the angles, change the creativity. You have to experiment with the images. You have to experiment with the titles. Once you do that, you have to run automatic sponsor ads on all the listings. Now the reality is, if you have 30 products, you have to run ads on all 30 of them. After 7 days, you will see that only 10 are performing good. The rest 20 are performing very poorly. They're losing your money. So what do you have to do? You have to switch off the advertisement on the bottom 20 worst performing products. The basic rule of business is, if something is selling and it is giving you profit, sell more of it. And I've done this myself. I'm not running any ad on this product or this or this or this, and there are a lot of other products that I am not running ads on. And honestly, I don't have to deal with a lot of dead inventory because initially I tend to order very small quantity of these products to do this exact same experiment. Now, if you follow these steps, you will definitely have ad campaigns that will have an ROI of more than 5. Now, if you need more help on e-commerce, I've created a lot of free videos. You can check them out. And if you found this useful, you can also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.